I'm Ed Ketchum with Riekes Equipment. I'm our Vice President of Sales. I've been with Riekes 25 years. In that 25 years, I've seen a lot of different projects and seen a lot of different solutions. And often customers come to us for things that they've never seen before, and frankly, we've never seen before. And when that happens, there's always that, I didn't know you did that moment, where customers just didn't even know that we do something that we do. But we wanted to create something where we could show customers many of the solutions that we could provide, maybe things they've never seen before. So back in 2015, we built this Discovery Center, this 9,000 square foot facility that's filled with material handling. We were out of space, we needed to grow. But in doing that, we wanted to kind of bring material handling to life. We wanted to show customers what we do kind of in a functional way, where maybe we would use it for ourselves, but they could come and discover new things and see how we were doing things. We recently partnered with a company called LevRack. LevRack fits right into everything we try to do. One of the things that customers come to us with all the time is they're out of space and they need more room to grow. And we focus on cubic space utilization. So as you walk around our facility, you'll see racking systems, and you'll see forklifts and different things that provide solutions that help them utilize their space more effectively. LevRack fits right into that. We've always got to balance density with throughput. How much of it do they need to store, but how often do they need to pick it and move it? We've always got to find the balance. And we found that when we find those products that actually combine really strong density with pickability and throughput, that's just magic when that happens. And LevRack falls right into that for us. When you look up at our racks, you'll see that we've got some wasted space in various places. Our racks are designed for a certain size, but then we fit other things in and there's wasted space. So what's really cool about LevRack is we integrated this right into our existing rack system. It hangs right off of the pallet rack beams, and it's a moving closet. My wife wants this in our closet for her shoes. It's perfect. But this is a much heavier duty version of that. So this added so much more shelf space with versatility where we can put different size of things. They've done a great job in creating accessories that make this rack more versatile. We can hang things up. We can put things in dividers. So it really is going to allow us to put a lot of different things in a very small amount of space and have access to any product at any time. If you're ever in the Omaha area, please come and visit our Discovery Center. We have so many things here that we can offer. I guarantee that you'll learn things that you didn't know about material handling and safety and other ways to do things. I think it would be valuable to you to see our facility. Thanks for listening.